Now we start the Bihar current affair of month November. Which book based on the life and contribution of the Padam Shri Godavari Dutt and edited by the Ashok Kumar Sinha was released at the Bihar Museum in the Patna. Godavari Dutt of Darbhanga made a historic contribution in giving recognition to the Mithila painting, especially in the Kachni style. And her book name is the Mithila Ki Vibhuti Godavari Dutt. The Pink Innovation Initiative, which has been selected at the International Conference on Resilience System 2026, is associated with which municipal corporation? Patna Municipal Corporation. Pink Innovation Initiative has been selected for an international conference to be in Draft, Netherlands 2026 on the issue related to the sanitation and the women empowerment. Which lake located in the Katihar district of the Bihar has been recognized as the 94th Ramsar site in India, Gogabil Lake? Which birth anniversary of the Guru Nanak Ji Dev was celebrated on the November 5, 2025, 556th birth anniversary? What is the name of the operation launched by the Patna police to search for the illegal weapons which an aim to ensure free and the peaceful voting ahead of the Bihar Legislative Assembly election 2025? Operation Jakhira. Prayans from the which district of the Bihar won the gold medal in the junior 76 kg category at the 5th East India Karate Championship 2025 held in the Bhubaneswar, Odisha from October 31 to November 2, 2025, Darbhanga. How many medals did player from Bihar win in the 69 National Wushu Championship 2025 held in the Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir from the October 28 to November 1, 2025? 4 medals, 2 bronze, 2 silver. Pankaj Nayan 45 kg रजत पदक, राजकुमार 70 kg रजत पदक, नंदी राज 48 kg ब्रॉन्ज मेडल, रुस्तम सिंह ब्रॉन्ज मेडल. The Sonpur Fair, Saran district, was held between November 9 and December 10, 2025 at the confluence of the which two rivers, Ganga and the Gandak? The first death anniversary of the which famous folk singer of the Bihar who gave the international recognition to the Chhat songs was celebrated on the November 5, 2025? Sardha Sinha. Padam Shri 1991, Padam Bhushan 2018, Padam Vibhushan 2025. On which date did the term of the 17th Bihar Legislative Assembly end? November 22, 2025. Where is the 53 Vidyapati Memorial Festival cum Mithila Vibhuti Award Ceremony 2025 being organized? Darbhanga. What is the total voter turnout recorded in the first and the second phase of the Bihar Assembly election 2025? 66.91%. Total number of the voters 7.43 crore. Which organization has been awarded the Geno Savior Community Award 2022-23 for its outstanding work in the Makhana production? Mithilanchal Makhana Utpadak Sangh Purnia. Who has been awarded the Best Individual Award for Excellence in Water Sector for the Eastern Region at the 6th National Water Award 2024, announced on the November 11, 2025? Kishore Jaiswal, Munger. Thank you, friends.